Hi, everyone. This email is in response to the petition that I signed, and loads of people have signed this, and the government has had to respond to it. So it says, the government has responded to the petition you signed. Do not introduce digital ID cards. And this is in the UK. So here's what it says. Government responded, we will introduce a digital ID within this parliament to help tackle illegal migration, make accessing government services easier, and enable wider efficiencies. We will consult on details soon. So I guess they're going to either send us another email or maybe it'll be in the parliament. I don't know. I'm sure we'll be hearing about it. The government has announced plans to introduce a digital ID system which is fit for the needs of modern Britain.
Okay, everyone, so we're going to look into this. I'm going to use the Magical Nordic Tarot, and I might even get some runes out. Let's just see. The Magical Nordic Tarot, because it's getting close to, well, we're getting into winter now, so, and I love these. These are so, oh, I just love them. They're just whimsical, like I said before a million times. So we want to know, in the UK, are they going to introduce the digital, are they going to introduce digital IDs? Now, I have said this before, I think maybe to my members, that I am not a citizen. I'm just a resident, a long-term resident, and I have indefinite leave to remain, but that wasn't good enough. So what did the government make me do, along with all the rest, I guess? I had to go and basically, well, I got a biometric resident permit. It allows me to live and work here, and as long as I have that biometric resident permit. So now, what was it, last year? The government sent me an email and said, we want you to put this online. So I had to go through all this and tell them my number and all that stuff, all my information. And I looked, and it has my face and my ID on it. It's got everything, like your fingerprints and just everything. So it's online. So I have already had to do that, but apparently, I don't know all the ins and outs, but people are saying, and I don't know if this is to scare us or what, people are saying that this is going to deal with our credit as well. I don't know. I just want to see what in the world is going on. And the government says, yes, they will be introducing it. But let's see. Let's see what the spirits say. And I'm going to see what is the underlying first. Oops. Let's try that again. All right. One more time. What are the underlying energies for this reading? Oh, Well, we'll just do that. That's one. Okay, underlying energies. Oh, the Emperor. So that would be, to me, that would be the people in charge, government. So, oh goodness. Well, good. So let's see. Are they going to make us digital ID? Are they going to make us in the UK do digital ID? So I'll have to go through all that again. Move this over here. As you know, I love my crystals. So, but I want to have good, loving energy on here. So, and these, I don't know, I think I did show you these, but this is crystal quartz. Sorry, this is fairy quartz crystal. Isn't it beautiful? It comes like an egg. And they had a rubber band around it, and it just, there, look at that. But it did come apart, but I like them like that too. So my fairy quartz crystal, and I have angel light to connect with the angels and with the heavenly energies. So we're going to see, is the UK going to be getting digital IDs, please? They keep talking about it. Is it a scare tactic or what? Are we going to get digital IDs in the UK, please? And that is the Hanged Man. And it's in limbo. So I wonder if the government is kind of making us in limbo, or are they in limbo right now? So we'll just keep go. Okay, same question. Are we getting, oh, that's an extra card. That is a charity, generosity. It's in reverse. Goodness. So not very charitable to the people. And this is like, so to me, charity, it kind of like the Six of Coins, maybe, but give and take. But to me, that generosity, the Emperor is going to take. Oh dear. Okay, so I wonder if we are in limbo then, or they're just wondering. They're waiting probably, because this is like the Hanged Man in reverse is being cut down, cut loose from hanging there. And this is seeing things from a different like a different angle or a different light. But to me, this is keeping us in the dark, because but you're being cut down as well. So what let's just ask. I mean, generosity. Oh, another one that's in reverse. Oh, the Magician in reverse. Mastery. Oh, okay. So this is upright. He has everything that he needs to do the job. But in reverse, like behind the scenes, they're spinning everything around, weaving things behind our back. That's what I'm thinking. And the Emperor is, I know it's not a gaslighting card, but that came to mind. That came to mind. This magician is weaving, and I don't know, man. All of these are in reverse. That's that's generosity. That would be taking away from us. Okay, let's see. What else do you have to say, please? Now, you guys saw me because I take these and I turn them like that and shuffle. Turn them like that and shuffle. So some of these should be upright, right? I mean, this one came upright because the emperor. Of course it did. Okay, so the Eight of Wands in reverse, communication. And it's also like news flying fast, fast news, but it's slowed down. You know what? I mean, okay, the government and slowing down. Maybe it's taking a lot longer than they think, and they're in limbo. Maybe they're in limbo and not us. And they can't. Okay, let's just go on, because this might be a positive reading. At first, I was like, "Oh no," but we'll see. So, is the government going to make us in the UK get a digital ID? Oh, the Tower in reverse, and that's foundations coming down. Oh, I hope so much that because that tower is like the hand of God. So when it strikes a tower, it's something that you can't help. But when it's in reverse, it's something that you've done to yourself. And look at the flames. Look at the dragon. So that the government, emperor, and has done something. Something has happened. Something has happened, guys. Foundations are shaking. What is the outcome, please? What is the outcome? Are we in the UK going to get digital IDs? Seven of Pentacles, upright. And that says faith. So they have planted the seed and they're waiting for it to grow. So something has happened that is delayed. I think it's delayed because of that Eight of Wands in reverse. It's usually fast. And the Tower in reverse. Something is, I wonder. I mean, they put this, the seeds, they planted the seeds, and I think it says faith, but they planted the seeds of fear into the people. But they don't have the resources. That's what I'm thinking. Because of that Magician in reverse, they don't have the resources. That's what I'm seeing right here. That's what came to my. Okay. They don't have the resources. Now, like I always say, this is for entertainment only. These are only my interpretations of the cards, and please do your own research and your own readings if you have, I'm going to ask Daniel. Okay, Daniel, please tell us, was that letter that they sent to me, was it a scare tactic from the government, please? Was it a scare tactic, please? And that's going to yes. Okay, so I'm going to ask the big question now. Daniel, is the UK, is this government going to make the UK get digital IDs, please? And this is for entertainment only and allegedly. So as the energies right now, as the energies are right now, and if nothing changes right now from this point, is the government going to make us in the UK, all the UK residents and citizens, are they going to make us have digital ID? Look at that. No. Oh, that's good. Well, I hope that helped a little bit. Helped you guys to maybe have a little bit of peace of mind. That's what my channel is for. It's for entertainment only, and to make you smile and to make you feel a little bit better. So that made me feel a little bit better anyway. So thank you all so much for being here. I appreciate you all. Please click the like button and the subscribe and the hype. Thank you. And my lovely members, I appreciate you so much for being here. Thank you. And I will see you on the next one.